Welcome to Extreme Benjamin Reviews. This is Ryan Knights, as always. Today we're going to try to get out and do some flights. I got quite a bit of stuff lined up. I'll show you what I got going on, because I got to get caught up on all these reviews, so I'm taking out the whole caboodle. As you see, there's a sharper image, and got the H98, the F10++, the X8 HG. I'm taking out both of these right here, and I got the Venom Pro GPS, and then I got the H26W. So I got all these that I got to try to take care of today. And of course, you know, I got my power remotes. I'm going to get my backpack loaded up. Got my batteries laid out. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I can get quite a bit done today. You know, like I said, it's freaking beautiful. Hang on, I'll show you. It's like, hang on, I kind of put all my drones right in the way of the door here because I was getting ready to load them up. I mean, you couldn't I mean, it's got a little bit of a wind to it, but I mean, look, it is freaking beautiful out. Look at that sun. Look at that sun. I'm sorry I blinded everybody, but I mean, it's been a while since we've seen the sun over here. So, but like I said, it is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. In fact, it's almost one of them days where you want to go ahead and get out and cut your grass, because it looks like our grass is already starting to grow back up, which sucks because we're not ready for it yet. But I said, beautiful day. I got to put my son down for a little bit of a nap, and I told him it won't take long. And when he gets up, we're heading straight to the park, and we're going to go do some flying. I bought him some batteries for his little remote control car he got for Christmas. So that way he's got something to do, because I don't let him fly his drone outside right now, because all he knows really is to take off and land, and really don't even know how to land. He just drops it. So I'm working with him on it, but I can see him launching it way up in the air while I'm right in the middle of something, and it landing in the very top of the tree, or coming down crashing and shattering everywhere. There's numerous possibilities. He could even hit somebody, you know, and you know, we don't need that. So I don't let him fly until he knows how to fully control the drones. He keeps them in the house. The one that I ordered for him still has yet to show up, which has got me kind of mind boggled, because all these other ones have showed up, and I ordered that one way before any of the rest of them. So I don't get it, why that one's taking so long to get here. It's not on back order. It said it was in stock. It says it's been shipped out. So who knows? I said pretty much all the drones that I had coming in today, or had coming in, I got them all in right now. My next thing is I do got to order a few more batteries for a couple of them, like the F10++. I got to get some batteries for that thing, because I only got one battery. And then I might order maybe one or two more for the Venom Pro, depending on how it does. You know, I don't want to order batteries for something that flies like complete garbage, you know, because I've seen a lot of people really don't care for the Venom Pro that much. I've seen some back and forth reviews on it, so we're going to try it out, see what happens, see if all the functions work on it. I do got two batteries for it, but we'll play it by ear. And then like, we got just a tad bit of wind. It's going about southwest, I believe that, or southeast. Let's see, north, south, east, west, southwest. Okay, so got a little bit of a southwest breeze, probably about 5-7 miles an hour is what it feels like. So that can still throw a drone off a little bit when you get up high. So the hovering action on a lot of them might not work that well, but we'll play it by ear, see how she does. The Sigma X8 should be able to hover pretty good in this, you know, no more wind than what it is, because it states it does. Then the Venom Pro should do great, considering it's supposed to be GPS, so it shouldn't be all over the place. So we'll just see how everything works out, and hopefully I get some good flight time in. So let me go over here, get him down. It's already after 1, and hopefully by 2 I'm out there on the at the park getting some airtime. And we'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day. This is Ryan Knight. See you in a few.